So this is newly arrived, 9800 BTU, and I'll show you how to set up hose and air conditions and strictly. So what they given, come with me, bring the camera here. So they given this hose, those two, and this, that, and cover. So let me show you. And you also need, because if you have a window in UK, you might need one of these, but they don't give it to us, and I bought it separately. So I'm just gonna show you how to set up the air condition or install air conditions and details. Alright, okay. Let's check this window first. This is our window, and this is how you set up. You need this one, you can buy it from Amazon. I'll put a link if you need to know. Okay, so yeah, this is the way you set up. Okay, you can see, you can put this on. Sorry, you can put whatever way you'd like, whatever way you easier. So I'm just gonna put this way. See that? So this is how you put, and then you close this window like this. Now, first things to do, I'm just gonna take this one off, and I will install this hose, this one first. So this one will goes okay. So this one, okay, it's set now. Now you fix this one. Yeah, all set. Now just put it back. So this side on the top, okay. Yeah, can you see that? It's all fit now. And then last things to do, so this side will go, can you see this? Yeah, so in this point, yeah, that's all fit. And also they given these lifts, in case if you don't need it, you can shut down this way, okay. Now those two sides, whatever way you can bend it. Okay, I'm gonna put this hose. Okay. And this side, another side, will connect it with the air conditions. Alright guys, all setups. Now you need to turn on the air conditions. This is the manual and also has a remote. So start, air condition sign, dehumidifier and fan. This is the medium, and also you have a maximum silent mode, and if you need to cool quick, and then you can set up maximums, and the lowest temperature you can set up in here is, the lowest is 16, and this is the remote. If you want, you can use it from your bed. All done. And thanks for watching guys. If you need anything, any advice, you can leave a comment, or if you need any parts that you can find it. I was struggling with that one to find it. If you don't find it, that one, let me know and I'll tell you where is it. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thanks for watching guys. The water tank, you might need one of these. So always water tank on the bottom in here. So this is the water tanks. There is no water because we didn't